Did you have to go to jail? Put your house on a up for sale. Did you get a good lawyer? Hope your dinner catch 10. Hope your